Hi guys, this is the fixing team. I'll try to tell you something about that. The iPhone 8, the broken button, the home button doesn't work. This is the new technology which is the give you the home button clicking only. You cannot use the fingerprint, but it's gonna work. Look at that iPhone 8 home button, which is the look like that. You can use it as a click, not for the fingerprint. Thank you for watching. See, as I spoke you earlier, as this Touch ID don't work, but you can use this button as a click. They don't vibrate, but you can feel the click. Let's see. Look at that. The sound click. Have you heard that? That's it. Thank you for watching.